What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have a band tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So for this video you will need some water in a spray bottle, some conditioner, something to lay your edges, aloe vera for me. You'll need a comb. This is a brush to also lay like the rest of my hair. You'll need a brush for your edges, a hairband, rubber band. The last thing you will need is Afro Kinky. This is Afro Kinky. So what I do is I like to fluff it out for it to be like more in size. So I also like I just do things to increase the volume. This is simply because I don't have any other like Afro Kinky lying around, so I'll have to work with this anyway. So guys, once I do that, I take some conditioner. This is the Alberto Balsam. Well, any conditioner will do. I also have Tresemme, but I like the slip on this one. It has amazing slip. So just a little, I apply it to the hair. I smooth that in. While I also try to fluff it out. Yeah, so I'll put this aside in the meantime as I work on the rest of my hair. So comb, well, I'm really not trying, I'm trying as much as possible not to like comb. Yeah, I think that will be perfect. So I take some aloe vera. Wow. Work that into my hands. Then I apply it all around. The brush finally is for this purpose. Then I take my hairband, which is really worn out. So after I put my hair in a bun, I take the Mali hair, the Afro Kinky, sorry, it's no Mali hair, ain't no Mali hair around here, but you can also use Mali hair actually. This is just what I had, so you have to work with what you have. What I do is I like twist the end, place that on there, then in a circular motion, So that's it. As from here, I just lay my edges and I'm good to go. Just some, I've used my comb and it's my mirror. So I forgot to mention this, but you need a headscarf to tie. You do this in order to let it set. That is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, you're always welcome to the family by hitting that subscribe button down there. Anyway, bye, and I'll see you in the next video.